Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hazimah binti Ismail. I come from KBA 24058. Okay, now I will present about the research marketing. For my topic is about the how communication myths in Mary Kay influence consumer behavior. Okay, for this research, why I choose this topic because I want to know about how do relationship between company and consumer. Okay, as we can see in this objective, have to know the level of communication myths. For the second is about the to examine relationship between communication technique and consumer behavior in the organization. For the third is about the to examine the relationship communication myths and consumer choice in organization. For the fourth is about the to examine the relationship seller and beauty consultant in Mary Kay. For the second is about the significance of the proposed study. For the first one is to give the understand towards the communication myths in Mary Kay. For the second is about the to contribute the existing knowledge about customer behavior. For the third is about the to increase the awareness about the products. Okay, for the literature review, I just found an article that relate for my topic. The topic is about the influence of social media marketing on consumer buying decision making process. Okay, as we can see, social media marketing such as like the WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and others platform can make the customer wants to purchase the product because of the attraction from the advertisement at the social media. Okay, this can relate with my research about the consumer behavior, such as for the for this article, as the person or the seller post about the advertisement like at the status example, the people will attract the advertisement because they have the informations colorful and others. Okay, let me tell you about the Instagram. Okay, the Instagram nowadays used by the young people right now. Okay, now at the Instagram have famous for the seller because it have many kind of the filter and it can give more editing, more attract about the advertisement, such as the seller use the advertisement to post the product and it can give more attract for the customer to buy the product. Okay, for this article, I could conclude that the social media also one of the technique to attract people to purchase the product. Okay, this can help the customer to know more from the advertisement that company do, such as for the company do advertisement at the televisions or the social media. They use more attractive information and the colorful of advertisement, and it can give people want to buy the products. For the research methodology, this is about the qualitative and quantitative method. Okay, as you can see, for the qualitative method, it's about the knowledge about the quantitative number, while the qualitative is about the events that give detect but not mature. Okay, as we can see, for the qualitative and quantitative, for this research I choose for the first is about the qualitative, it's about the number. Okay, because the question that I do the age and others. Okay, for the quantitative, okay, I choose for the survey, like I do for the respondent about my question. Okay, for the result and discussion, for this have the sampling technique. Okay, this sampling is about the probability sampling that suggested sampling strategy, seeing the item in population have a chance of being picked as subject in the survey. As we can see, for the sampling is about the question that we do can pass for the respondent. Okay, then for the respondent we give the feedback of the survey. Okay, as we can see, for the sampling size for my research is not more for 15 people for the respondent. I choose them because it have the limited and I have the data of them. These some questions for this research are about the relationship between customer and seller. Okay, this can be seen from the people can communicate well with the beauty consultant of Mary Kay or not. Okay, for the second is about the other than that, the beauty consultant have good skill in give service and promote product. Okay, as you can see, this is just about the consumer behavior. Okay, if the beauty consultant have good skill in communicate with the customer and he or she can give the goods long-term relationship, it can make them more happy and they can get more benefit from them. For the third one is about the question about the people we attract with colorful advertisement. Okay, as we can see from the survey that I do, the research, okay, people will say yes because they will attract the colorful of the advertisement because it can make the people will more remember about the products. In conclusion, this data is collected by the question. Other than that, as conclusion, this research show that the consumer behavior is influenced by the communication mix, such as for the advertisement in social media. Like the Mary Kay, they use some advertisement in social media, such as like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
That's all from me. Thank you for watching.